Hello students, today we have to study the remaining two units to measure the concentration of solutions. One is ppm and second is mole fraction. So let's take one by one. ppm, parts per million. As the name suggests, it is defined as the parts of solute by mass present in millions parts of solution. Millions means 10 raised to power 6. It means parts of solute by mass present in 10 raised to power 6 parts by mass of solution. So formula to calculate ppm is mass of solute upon mass of solution into 10 raised to power 6 per 10 raised to power 6 means ppm. Next is mole fraction. Mole fraction is defined as the ratio of the moles of a component to the total moles in the solution. It means out of total moles, how many moles of solute or solvents are present. It is known as mole fraction of solute and solvent respectively. Say we have two components A and B in the solution and their moles are say Na and Nb. Then mole fraction of A is given as Xa is equal to Na upon Na plus Nb, moles of A upon total moles, and mole fraction of B Xb is equal to Nb upon Na plus Nb. It means moles of B upon total moles. Now if you sum up these two mole fractions means Xa plus Xb, the sum of these two is always 1. So sum of the mole fraction of all the components in the solution is always equal to 1. If you are known about the mole fraction of one component, you can calculate the mole fraction of second component by subtracting it from 1. Students, next is dilution of a solution. Dilution means adding water into a solution so that concentration of solution is changed. When we are carrying out dilution, water is to be added, volume of the solution is increased and hence concentration is decreased. When dilution of a solution is carried out, M into V means molarity into volume term remains constant. Molarity is changed, volume is changed, but M into V remains constant. So we use the formula M1V1 is equal to M2V2, where M1 is the molarity initially taken, M2 is the molarity finally after dilution, V1 is initial volume before dilution, and V2 is final volume after dilution. Similarly, when we are mixing the two solutions having the same solute, again molarity equation is applied as M1V1 plus M2V2 is equal to Mv, where M1 is the molarity of first solution, V1 is the volume of first solution, M2 is the molarity of second solution, V2 is the volume of second solution, M is the resultant molarity of the mixture, and V is the final volume, that is V1 plus V2. So you can calculate the molarity of resultant solution by using this molarity equation. Let's do some numericals related with these units. Question is, calculate the mass of sodium acetate required to make 500 milliliter of 0.375 molar aqueous solution. Molar mass of sodium acetate is given 82.0245. So how to solve this question? Molarity is given to you. You have to find out the mass. Molar mass is also given, volume is given. So use the molarity formula, that is moles of sodium acetate upon volume of solution in liter. Volume in liter. Putting the value, molarity is 0.375 given to you and moles of sodium acetate you have to calculate upon volume given is 500 milliliter, it means half liter. So how many moles will be required? 0.375 into 1 by 2 moles. But you have to find out mass, and moles can be converted into mass by multiplying with molar mass. So mass of sodium acetate is moles 0.375 divided by 2 into molar mass, that is given 82.0245. Solving this, the answer comes out to be 15.38 gram. So this is your answer. 15.38 gram sodium acetate will be required. Let's do the next question. Calculate the concentration of nitric acid in moles per liter, it means molarity, in a sample which has density 1.41 gram per milliliter and mass percent of nitric acid in it being 69%. So you have to calculate molarity of nitric acid solution which has density 1.41 and percentage by mass is 69%. How to solve this question? Mass percent we know is the mass of solute present in 100 gram of solution. 69% is given, hence let the mass of solution be 100 gram. If mass of solution is 100 gram, mass of nitric acid in it is 69 gram, because 69% by mass. Nitric acid 69 gram by mass, solution 100 gram. And you have to find out molarity. Molarity is given as moles of solute, that is nitric acid, moles of nitric acid upon volume of solution in liter. So how to calculate moles of solute? Mass is 69 gram and molar mass of nitric acid is hydrogen 1, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16 into 348, so it is 63 gram per mole. So moles of nitric acid are calculated as mass 69 divided by molar mass 63. Moles are calculated 69 upon 63. And how will you calculate volume of solution in liter? Mass of solution we have let 100 gram. Density is given 1.41 gram per milliliter. Using density and the mass, you can calculate volume. You know density is given as mass upon volume. So mass is 100 gram, density 1.41 gram per milliliter. So volume will be 100 upon 1.41 milliliter. Now in liter it would be 100 upon 1.41 divided by 1000. Milliliter is converted into liter divided by 1000. So it comes out to be 1 upon 14.1 liter. Volume of solution is 1 upon 14.1. Moles of solute are 69 upon 3. Putting the value in the formula of molarity, moles are 69 upon 63 and volume is 1 upon 14.1. The answer comes out to be 15.44 mole per liter. So molarity of this solution is 15.44 mole per liter. Let's take the next question. If the density of methanol is 0.793 kg per liter, what is its volume needed for making 2.5 liter of its 0.25 m solution? So molarity is given, volume of solution is given, density of solute is given, methanol is solute, and you have to find out its volume needed. So how to solve this question? Using the molarity formula, molarity of solution is moles of solute, that is methanol, upon volume of solution in liter. Using the formula, molarity is 0.25. Moles we have to find out, and volume of solution in liter is 2.5 given. So how many moles of methanol are required? 0.25 into 2.5. These are the moles of methanol required to prepare this solution. What would be the mass of methanol required? Moles can be converted into mass by multiplying with molar mass. Molar mass of methanol is CH3OH, methanol, carbon 12, 4 hydrogen and 1 oxygen 16. So it is 32. Molar mass of methanol is 32. Moles are 0.25 into 2.5. So what would be the mass of methanol? Mass of methanol is 0.25 into 2.5 into molar mass 32. It comes out to be 20 gram. Mass of methanol required to prepare this solution is 20 gram. Density of methanol is given 0.793. Again, using the formula of density, density is mass upon volume. Density is known, mass is known, and you have to find out volume of methanol required. So putting the value, density is 0.793 kilogram per liter. It is converted into gram per liter by multiplying with 1000. Kilogram converted into gram, it would be gram per liter. And mass we are known by calculation, it is 20 gram. Volume you have to calculate. Volume of methanol required is 20 divided by 0.793 into 10 raised to power 3 liters, and you can convert it into milliliter by multiplying with 1000. By multiplying with 1000 you have to solve it, and the answer comes out to be 25.22 milliliter. This is your answer.